Next week's catalyst observation, Baidu, Virgin Track, and Nikolai become the focus of the spotlight. Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Catalyst Watch, a breakdown of some of next week's actionable events that stand out. Check out Saturday morning's regular stocks to watch article for a full list of events planned for the week, or the Seeking Alpha earnings calendar for companies due to report. Monday, December 27th. Volatility watch. Options trading spiked higher again this week on KemPharm, Johnson Controls International, and Adagio Therapeutics. Stocks generating strong interest on Reddit's Wall Street bets include AMD, AMC Entertainment, and Alico's. Biofrontera is buzzing on stock twist. Short interest positions are elevated heading into next week on Cortexum, Tattooed Chef, and Corsair Gaming. Keep an eye on Nikolai for further short squeeze potential. All day, Baidu hosts its annual flagship developers conference called Baidu Create. The event will also be China's first metaverse conference, as it takes place on the 11rang platform. The virtual reality platform enables up to 100,000 online attendees to interact with 100 speakers from around the world at the three-dimensional conference. Baidu plans to release its technological advances and applications in a number of cutting-edge areas such as artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, intelligent transportation, quantum computing, and biocomputing at the conference. Shares of BIDU trade near the low end of their 52-week range. All day, Immersion holds a special shareholder meeting to vote on an equity incentive plan, and adjournment of the special meeting to a later date. All day, pre-IPO shareholders with DiDi Global will be allowed to sell their shares after a lockup period expires. All day, the deadline for the redemption of light public warrants expires. The expiration of warrants can lead to a share price increase if dilution risk is seen being removed. All day, the tender offer for Southwest Gas from Carl Icahn at $75 per share expires. The company has urged investors to reject Icahn's takeover attempt, saying his tender offer undervalues the company and is highly conditional. Tuesday, December 28th. All day, the SEMICON Taiwan Semiconductor Conference runs from December 28th to 31st with a focus on the latest innovations that will drive the next wave of industry growth. Chip heavyweights Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, ASE Technology Holding Co., and Ninya Technology will be exhibitors, as well as new artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, 5G, and machine learning startup. Onto Innovation is being circled as an exhibitor to watch at the conference. All day, Cal-Maine Foods earnings report. Options trading on Cal-Maine implies a move of close to 6% after the numbers drop. 9 a.m. The SP CoreLogic Case-Shiller Home Price Index for October is expected to be reported at plus 19.4% to follow on the 19.5% increase in September. Home price growth has been gently easing since July, even as demand has stayed robust amid tight supply. Some analysts think a cool Case-Shiller print could shake up sentiment on homebuilder stocks such as D.R. Horton, KB Home, Toll Brothers, Lennar, Beazer Homes and PulteGroup. Wednesday, December 29th. All day, NextGen Acquisition Corp. Two shareholders meet to vote on the SPAC deal to take Virgin Orbit public. The satellite launch company was split off from Virgin Galactic in 2017. Virgin Orbit recently announced an extension of its partnership with Arqit Quantum on space-based encryption services to private, defense, and intelligence customers globally. Virgin Orbit is developing a space launch system based on a modified 747-400 aircraft. The company expects to trade under the ticker symbol VORB after the SPAC deal is completed. All day, shareholders with Athena Technology are scheduled to meet to approve the SPAC deal to take concentrated solar energy company Heliogen public. Heliogen's technology uses a field of mirrors to capture sunlight for converting into heat, electricity, or clean fuel. ArcelorMittal has an initial investment of at least $10 million in Heliogen. 2 p.m. The deadline hits for the public redemption of AerSale public warrants. AerSale says its election to redeem warrants on a cashless basis limits dilution to existing shareholders and is simpler and less burdensome to warrant holders. Thursday, December 30th. All day, shareholders with CF Acquisition Corp. Meet to vote on the SPAC deal to take Earth observation company Satellogic public. Satellogic is building a new plant in the Netherlands to produce as many as 25 satellites a quarter. 8:30 a.m. The initial jobless claims report drops to expectations for an increase to about 220K from 205K the week prior. Claims are at very low levels due to the strength in labor demand. Friday, December 31st. All day, the last major economic report for investors to chew for the year on will be the China PMI print. The last two updates on China PMI have fallen below expectations. All day, it is the walk date for the MKS Instruments acquisition of Atotech. MKS plans to acquire Atotech for $16.20 in cash and 0.0552 of a share of MKS per Atotech share. Atotech has gained 2.78% over the last week and is close to its post-deal high.